create yourself a really nice calming space. Okay, to alleviate that cough that just will not go away, what you're going to do is with your pointer finger, come down and just between your collarbones here, you've got an indentation. Just going to press, just massage gently into here. Taking a deep breath. And then from there, coming across just under the collarbone, which is directly down from your earlobes, and just under the collarbone, pressing into this point. Taking a couple of nice long deep breaths. You can actually massage into this point, and this is the point that is the lifesaver of coughing. If you're having a coughing fit, go to this and breathe it. And believe me, it works brilliantly. It works absolutely brilliantly. Don't hold the points or massage the points for any longer than 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to go for a minute to 2, no longer than 3. And then slowly come a little further along and just to the peak and massaging around there. I like to just take little circles. I use 2 fingers and it's just under the bone. And then a really nice point to release is to massage into the back of the neck. So I'm going to turn around for you. But to begin with, you'll cup your fingers so that you get the points with your fingers, and you can just pull the muscle forward, and it's really nice to actually have a little bit of oil on your body when you do this, or if you've got a shirt or something on, that'll be better, just so long as you don't Chinese burn yourself. Pulling against your skin, aiming to get the points just down around here, just pulling forward, and then it's coming up and over the points around here. Making sure you take a couple of deep breaths. So once you have your cough under control, by using these points here, just going from the outside of where we pressed to begin with to here, that is going to stop the coughing. It will control your coughing. Then you can slide along, come across to here and finish with a little neck massage just to give yourself some love, and continue to do that each time you start to cough, and it will really help to alleviate and manage the cough like magic. Remember, if you like this and you want the printout and you want to learn a little bit more about the acupressure points that we're pressing into to understand them better, get the printout.